For the best price, click the link in the description. Razer Kishi V2 Android, a portable gaming controller that promised to revolutionize mobile gaming. But here's what surprised me: it didn't quite live up to its hype. I was excited to dive into this product and see if it could deliver on its promises, but unfortunately, my experience was marred by some serious issues. Therefore, I'm not going to sugarcoat anything in this review. We're going straight into the nitty-gritty of what worked and what didn't. Deep dive word count 300 to 400 asterisk. Let's start with the positives. The Razer Kishi V2 Android is certainly a sleek device, with its compact design making it easy to slip into your pocket or bag. The build quality feels solid and the materials used are premium. You can tell that Razer has put some thought into designing this product. The controller itself is also well designed, with an intuitive layout that makes it easy to navigate even for those who aren't familiar with gaming controllers. The D-pad, joysticks, and face buttons all feel responsive, making it a pleasure to use, especially if you're used to playing on a console or PC. But as I mentioned earlier, my experience was far from perfect. One of the biggest issues I encountered was with the ergonomics of the controller. The design is clearly intended for those with larger hands, but for those with smaller hands, like mine, it's uncomfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Another issue I had was with the charging port. It's on the back of the device, which makes it awkward to charge while using the controller at the same time. And let me tell you, when you're in the middle of a gaming session, the last thing you want is to have to pause and unplug your controller just to charge it. But there's more. I also experienced some lag issues while playing certain games, which was frustrating to say the least. Now, I know Razer has a reputation for producing high-quality gaming products, so I'm surprised that something like this slipped through the cracks. Resolution word count 500 to 600 asterisk. So, is the Razer Kishi V2 Android worth your money? Honestly, I'd say it's a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you get a well-designed controller with some nice features, but on the other hand, you also have to deal with some significant issues that may affect your gaming experience. If you're a die-hard Razer fan or just really love mobile gaming, then maybe this product is worth considering. But if you're looking for something that's going to deliver top-notch performance without any hiccups, I'd say look elsewhere. That being said, I do want to emphasize the importance of price when it comes to making a decision like this. If you can get your hands on the Razer Kishi V2 Android for a significantly discounted price, which is possible if you're willing to wait or shop around, then maybe it's worth considering. But for now, based on my experience and what I've seen from other reviewers, I'd say it's best to exercise caution when purchasing this product. Your wallet and your gaming sessions will thank you. For the best price, click the link in the description.